Welcome everyone. In today's video we are diving into the world of crochet, a simple yet magical art that connects creativity, mindfulness and family love. As Xmas approaches, this timeless craft can bring warmth, peace and togetherness to your home. Whether you are creating a cozy blanket, tiny ornaments or festive decorations, crochet is more than just a hobby. It's a form of meditation through movement, color and care. Crochet is an ancient craft using just a hook and yarn to weave imagination into reality. Each stitch tells a story of patience, rhythm, and self-expressions. During the holiday when the world gets busy and noisy, crochet gives you a quiet corner of calm. You can create beautiful and beneficial things like Xmas tree, ornaments, coaster, wall hanging things, fireplace decorations, a little gifts bag, all handmade with love. It's also a wonderful sustainable choice, using leftover yarn or recycled fibers to make meaningful decoration eco-friendly and heartfelt. In this video, we have shared some amazing and most beautiful ornaments and beautiful ideas for making crochet things. Crochet is often described as a moving meditation as your hands move rhythmically, looping, pulling, and turning. Your mind begins to slow down. You start focusing on the gentle motion, the hook, the texture of the yarn, and your breathing. This mindful rhythm helps reduce stress, anxiety, and overthinking. Many people say that after 10 or 15 minutes of decorating, their thoughts settle, their moods lift, and they feel peaceful, just like meditation or deep breathing exercise during Xmas time. This can be a powerful way to bring calm and mindfulness into your festive days. Crochet isn't only for adults, it's a wonderful family activity. You can teach your kids simple stitches and let them create a small thing and may let them do what they want to create, like stars, heart or Xmas garlands. Learn them one stitch, two stitch, three stitch. After that they repetitive motion. Try them. Children love the feelings of creating something from nothing. It improves their patience, focus and fine motor skills. Working together on a crochet project helps families connect, sharing laughter, stories, and creativity. You can sit by the fireplace, play soft Xmas rustic, and make beautiful handmade gifts together. These are the memories that children carry forever. Moments and peace, warmth, and love. Emotional benefits. Crochet has many health benefits. 2. It relaxes your mood, lower blood pressure and reduces stress hormones. It keeps the mind active and improves hand-eye coordination. For kids, it teaches patience, discipline and confidence. They feel proud when they finish a piece with their own hands. For adults, especially parents or grandparents, crochet brings a sense of fulfillment and calmness, something precious in today's busy life. And during the holiday season, when emotions often run high, crochet becomes a soothing space, a mindful pause to reconnect with yourself and your loved ones. And joy of giving. This Xmas, try making your own crochet ornaments, snowflakes, stars, or even tiny stockings. Decorate your home with handmade love, each piece carrying your heart and mindfulness within it. Remember, crafting is not about perfection, it's about connection. It's your creativity, your emotions, and your family. So take a deep breath, pick up your yarn, and start your crochet journey this Xmas. Spread warmth, joy, and calm one stitch at a time. So in this video we have shared some amazing and unique ideas for you. Some beautiful ideas are here you can create for this holiday season, like trees, ornaments, wall hanging decorations, small and beautiful ornaments. Add some colors, add some beautiful things. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care. Wishing you a very happy festival. Which type of crochet pattern would you like to learn? Tell me about in comment section. Write your opinion in the comment section. We will definitely try to upload more pictures like that and more designs like that. You can get ideas from that videos. You can getting ideas by that videos. You can create very beautiful things. Take assets, take beautiful ideas from this video, and our channel gives you the very beautiful jute burlap and amazing crafting ideas, and you can create very beautiful things. So in this video we have shared some special. It's all about Xmas special, it's all about holiday special and Xmas New Year special. You can add some beautiful names and add some messages on the wall. Beautiful stocking, hanging wall, fireplace stocking, snowman, and beautiful things you can add. You can gift to anyone. You can create for your own children and gift them too. And let them try this type of things. Let your children try this type of things.